Grace?
Yeah?
I was wondering if you had called Firestone yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that in just a minute.
I don't know if you'd be interested or not, but the Durgan's Pub is having a drink special tonight. And I was
Hey, what's happening, Hugh?
How you doing?
Hey, babe.
Hey, baby, how are you?
Good.
We still on for tonight?
Yes, we are on for tonight.
Excellent. Oh, I wasn't interrupting anything, was I?
Oh, no, we're just doing some Firestone stuff.
Ah, Firestone stuff. It's serious business.
It's cool.
Paperwork.
Paperwork. Oh, I've got paperwork.
No, hey,
Whoa.
hey. Tonight,
Yes.
though. Tonight, I made reservations for 7, but we don't have to be there at 7. We can be there at any time. Sure.
Hey, Hugh, what's up?
Ah!
Oh!
Hugh!
Oh! Oh!
Yo, Hugh, you got a minute?
Sure.
All right. Say, I'm wondering if there's any openings in the management training program.
Yes?
Great. Can you get me a recommendation?
Since when did you want to be a manager?
I mean, come on, man. Who can say no to all of this? I kid. But seriously, I want to become a manager because I'm going to ask Grace to marry me. What?
Haven't you two been dating for 2 months?
Well, yeah, but I mean, when it's right, you know? And I am never happier than I am when I'm with her. Plus, I mean, she's fucking hot, you know, so that helps.
When? When are you going to...
Well, that's the thing. I can't afford a ring yet, so I need a promotion. I'm asking you to help me out.
Sure. I think you'd be a perfect candidate.
Oh, fuck yeah! Thanks, Hugh! Alright, I gotta go tell Grace.
No, don't.
Wait, why not?
Think of the stress that it would put on your relationship. Well, what if you flunk out? How do you think that would look to her?
Well, I'm not planning on that happening, but you make a good point. Thank you.
Anytime.
Thanks again, Hugh.
Hello, Janet. Yes, very well. Do you think we could move the trainee management class to the 25th? Oh, no reason. I just with all the reorganizing and whatnot. Fantastic. Thank you very much. And yes, you have a fantastic day too, Janet.
Even though I've been planning the whole thing. No, I don't care. I don't care.
Hey, Hugh, can I ask you a favor?
Sure. Anything.
So, the office Halloween party is the same night as my first training session for the management program. Is there any way we can adjust that or change it?
I'm sorry. Those dates are set by corporate.
Fuck. Alright, Could you do me a favor, though? Can you give Grace a ride home after the party? She tends to get shit-faced at these sort of events, and I want to get her home safe.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Thanks, man. I owe you one.
Here we are.
Well,
Sorry. Nice place.
Are you,
yeah.
are you gonna be alright?
I'm gonna be alright.
Listen, I know that we're disappointed that Aaron couldn't be there tonight, but I'm here, and I'm going to make sure that you are taken care of. Grace.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
So, how was work last night?
Fine.
Okay, here's the thing. I came up here during the party, and you weren't here.
Oh, was that an off-site meeting?
Oh. Okay. Hey, you want to do something later tonight?
I gotta work again.
Again?
Yes, again.
Fine.
Look, babe,
Hey,
Hi, hi, Grace.
Can I ask you something?
Amy.
Was Aaron at an offsite meeting last night?
Not that I'm aware of.
But no, I thought that. Okay, maybe you had him stay late or that he had.
I didn't ask him to do anything. If he stayed late, it certainly wasn't work-related.
Oh.
I'm sure he had his reasons for standing you up, or whatever they may be. I'm sure everything's okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Hey, would you like to grab some coffee with me?
Oh, no. Hugh, I have so much work to do. Stop.
Oh, come on. I mean, you deserve it after the day you've had. My treat?
Sure. Why not, huh? Thank you, Hugh. You know, you are a really good friend.
Yes, I know.
All right, I'm gonna grab my stuff.
Hugh, I'm out.
Out of what?
It's too much, and I'm done.
Listen, I understand that it's rather tough, but don't you want to prove to Grace that you can support her?
I don't ever see Grace anymore. Okay, I spend all of my time at work, and she thinks that I'm fucking around on her. And then the time we do spend together, we're always fucking fighting. So I'm out. I'm gonna go tell her right now.
I suppose it's just as well.
Look, I appreciate everything that you've done for me.
Well, listen, there is something I need to tell you. Grace and I, we've been seeing each other.
What?
It's been getting pretty serious. She's been trying to find some time to tell you.
You're fucking joking.
Listen, don't blame Grace. We never intended for any of this to happen. She's just been very unhappy lately. I hope that the three of us can remain.
No, please! Stop it! What the fuck are you doing? Go! Get the fuck out of here before I call security! Hugh, are you okay? No. Hugh, are you...
I just told him that I could give him a raise.
No, okay, it doesn't matter. But don't move, okay? I'm gonna call an ambulance for you. Just don't move. Aaron finally stopped calling.
I'm sorry.
Don't be. I don't have anything to say to that asshole. I really thought I loved him.
I'm sorry. I guess people aren't really who they seem to be.
Thank you for being there for me.
like to grab some dinner with me?
Yeah. I need to finish up some things first, and then maybe we could meet downstairs.
Sure thing. I don't mind waiting at all.